What's up guys, Nick Sales here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 tips on how to make a killer demo reel. I posted my demo reel to this channel a few weeks ago, and I had a lot of people asking me how to make a demo reel that can get them paying clients. I can't stress enough the importance of having a good demo reel, because chances are your future clients won't want to see a degree or a certificate. They want to see what you're capable of and the production value you can bring to them. I would say that the vast majority of my clients have come because they have watched my demo reel and they decide to hire me from that. So without any further ado, here are my top 5 tips on making a killer demo reel. Tip number 1 is to include shots that your clients would pay you to replicate for them. If you're wanting to get wedding video clients, put in some amazing wedding video shots. If you're wanting commercial clients, put in a shot of a commercial that you've done. A common issue that I see in demo reels is that they include shots that nobody would pay them to make, like random shots of a fence or of nature. Nature shots are great, but unless you're pitching your demo reel to companies that would pay you to make nature videos, it doesn't make a lot of sense to include those shots in your demo reel. Like, even though you could get napkins at a restaurant, that's not what they advertise. They try to sell you on the food, on the things that you'll actually be buying. So stay away from including any kind of shot that somebody wouldn't be willing to pay you to replicate. You'd never see a wedding photographer just have a portfolio of shots of their dog. Even though they could take the most amazing pictures of their dog, engaged couples will only hire them if they say, I want my wedding pictures to look like this. So do the same with your demo reel. When your future clients watch your demo reel, make them say, I want my video to look like this. Tip number 2 is make it your absolute best work and include only the best shots. Make it so good that people would be crazy not to hire you. I went to Vid Summit last year where Mr. Beast, who's a popular YouTuber, spoke. He said something that was so simple but yet so profound. He said that when he's thinking of an idea for a video to make, he thinks of ideas that people would be crazy to not click on. Like, for example, some of his video titles are spending 24 hours straight underwater, or last to move hand gets Lamborghini challenge, or going through the same drive-thru 1,000 times. When you see titles like these, how can you not click on these videos? Similarly, when people watch your demo reel, make it so good that it absolutely floors them. Make them say, I would be crazy not to hire this person to make my videos. You literally need to make it so good that they can't refuse not paying you to make their video. If your demo reel is mediocre, that's like an iPhone commercial saying, well, I guess this phone is okay. You'd never see that. Remember that your demo reel is the commercial that is selling you or your video production services. The only way for you to succeed in business is to be better than the competition around you. So prove that you are by making it your best work and including only the best shots. Tip number 3 is start with what you have. Don't feel discouraged if you're just starting out. We have all been there. If you haven't shot any videos for clients yet, then go and shoot videos for free, making it your best work, and then use some of those clips to make your first demo reel and pitch that to potential clients. Then once you've shot those videos, make a new demo reel, including the most recent shots that you've gotten that are better than your first demo reel. Make adjustments to your demo reel constantly. I update mine every year. Take the time to adjust and improve it and make it current. Include a variety of different videos, as many as possible. Show your clients that you have filmed dozens, if not hundreds of videos, and that you have experience by including the best shots from each video you filmed. If you currently don't have any paid work, you should be spending each day making your demo reel better and better until you can get a paid client. Tip number 4 is music choice. Your demo reel should make your audience feel something, and music is so key in getting that emotion across. For me, I specialize in filming beautiful cinematic music videos, so the song that I choose with each demo reel is also beautiful and cinematic. I've seen so many demo reels that just include a generic, boring song or a hard rock song that will scare away your audience. Choose music that can appeal to a broad audience, something catchy, something that invokes emotion. You want your demo reel to take your viewers on a journey, so choose music that can drive them on that journey. I would say that I probably spend a good 4 to 5 hours choosing music for my demo reels. I narrow it down to my top 5 songs, and then I play each song with some of my footage to see if it fits, and then from there I choose the song that I feel like would be the best. And finally, tip number 5 is share it everywhere. You need to remember that your demo reel is an advertisement and that you have to do the marketing. You have to show your work to everyone. You won't ever get hired if no eyeballs are seeing your work. Keep in mind that as with every product, there is a sales funnel. Not every person who views a McDonald's hamburger commercial is gonna buy one. In fact, I would say that the percentage of people who view the commercial versus the people who actually buys the product is super small. But the more people who view the commercial, the more people will buy the product. So don't think that you can upload your demo reel to YouTube and just hope that it takes off and that people will watch it. Upload it to Facebook, Instagram, your website, YouTube. Join Facebook groups that have your prospective clients in those groups and share your demo reel to the group. Ask friends and family to share it. Post it everywhere because the more people who see it, the more people will hire you. This is a basic marketing tactic that so many videographers don't understand. To be a videographer, you have to be more than just a filmmaker, you also have to be a marketer. I've even heard of people who have run Facebook ads on their demo reel to get it shown to more people. So make it good and then get it out there so that everyone can see it. Now, as a bonus tip, I'm just gonna say that if you've done all of the above and you're still not getting hired, it's because you haven't put in the time and effort to learn how to master being a filmmaker. I can't stress enough the importance of getting a good education, and I wanna help you with that. I've created an online course called Music Video Pro that teaches you everything you need to know to make cinematic and professional looking music videos that will make you go from this to this. If you're interested in the course, you can check it out with the link in the description. I'm also in the process of making another online course called Pro Filmmaker, which teaches you everything you need to know to become a professional filmmaker. So if you'd like to be notified for when that comes out, the link for that is also in the description. If you've learned something from this video and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button. It only takes a second to do, but it helps out the channel tremendously. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.